Do you feel pressured to declutter everything, even items you love? Today, we'll debunk the myth that you need to get rid of it all and reveal surprising items you don't actually have to declutter. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Modern Minimalism. In our last video, we talked about things you should declutter, but today, we're flipping the script. With the rise of minimalism, there's a lot of societal pressure to get rid of as much as possible. However, not everything needs to be decluttered. Let's explore why it's okay to keep certain items that bring value and joy to your life. There's a common misconception that to live a minimalist lifestyle, you need to declutter everything. This belief can create unnecessary stress and guilt. Minimalism isn't about having nothing. It's about having what truly matters. Before we dive into the items you don't have to declutter, if you find our content helpful, please hit that subscribe button for more tips on simplifying your life. Let's explore some categories of items that are often unnecessarily decluttered. 1. Sentimental items. Family heirlooms, photo albums, and keepsakes carry emotional value that can't be replaced. These items connect us to our past and our loved ones, and it's perfectly fine to keep them. These items are not just objects. They are pieces of your personal history. When you look at a photo album or a cherished heirloom, it evokes memories and emotions that can provide comfort and joy. 2. Hobby-related items. Hobbies and creative pursuits are vital for our well-being. If you enjoy painting, knitting, or any other hobby, don't feel pressured to declutter your supplies. They bring you joy and fulfillment, which is what minimalism is all about. These items support your creativity and relaxation, which are essential aspects of a balanced life. 3. Seasonal decorations. Decorating for holidays and special occasions brings a sense of joy and tradition. Keep those decorations that you love and use them to create lasting memories with family and friends. Seasonal decorations are not just about aesthetics, they're about celebrating moments and building traditions. 4. Books and media. If you love reading or have a collection of favorite movies, it's okay to keep them. They provide entertainment, knowledge, and comfort. Just ensure they have a designated space to avoid clutter. Books can be a source of inspiration and escape, and keeping your favorites can enrich your life. Just a quick reminder, kindly hit that subscribe button for everything and anything minimalism. 5. Comfort items. This includes anything from your favorite cozy blanket to a comfortable chair. These items add to your physical comfort and help create a cozy, inviting environment. Your home should be a sanctuary where you feel at ease, and comfort items play a crucial role in that. 6. Travel souvenirs. Souvenirs from your travels are reminders of the experiences and adventures you've had. These items hold personal significance and can bring back positive memories every time you see them. They are a testament to the places you've been and the experiences you've had, adding a unique personal touch to your space. Now let's talk about the psychological benefits of keeping certain items. Holding on to things that have personal value can foster a sense of continuity and identity. Decluttering everything indiscriminately can sometimes lead to regret and a sense of loss. It's important to strike a balance. Minimalism should enhance your life, not strip it of what makes you happy. Keeping items that bring you joy, comfort, and a sense of connection is essential for your mental well-being. For example, while it might be minimalist to have a completely bare living room, if a few well-loved pieces of furniture and decor make you feel more at home and relaxed, that's perfectly fine. Remember that minimalism is about mindful living, not just about having less. It's okay to keep sentimental items, hobby-related supplies, seasonal decorations, books, comfort items, and travel souvenirs that bring value to your life. The goal is to create a space that reflects who you are and supports your happiness. We'd love to hear your thoughts on decluttering. What items do you choose to keep and why? Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on simplifying your life and home organization. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Modern Minimalism.